Hello students, in our previous video we discussed direct speech and indirect speech. Some changes are made while changing direct speech into indirect speech. We noticed that reporting verb is changed into said, asked, told, exclaimed, requested, commanded, ordered, wished, cursed, etc. And we also noticed that conjunction that TO2 WH word is retained. If for whether is used, again that is used to join both the parts of the direct speech. Now just have a look at the change of pronouns. I is changed into he or she. Me is changed into him or her. My is changed to his or her. Mine is changed into his or hers. You in subject place becomes he, she or they, plural, they. Just pay attention here. You in object place becomes him, her or them. Your becomes his, her, their. Yours, his, hers, theirs. We is changed to they. Us is changed to them. Our is changed to their. Ours is changed to theirs. Just go through this list so that it will help you to solve to change direct to indirect speech. Here is the list of change of demonstratives and adverbs. Words expressing nearness in time and place are changed into words expressing distance. Demonstratives like this and these are changed to that and those. Thus is changed to so. Now becomes then. Here becomes there. Ago becomes before. Today is changed to that day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Yesterday is changed to the previous day. Last night is changed to the night before. The next day is changed to the following day. Just go through this list, make a note of them. Now it is about the verbs in direct speech. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, the verbs in direct speech are changed from present to corresponding past. Here, am is becomes was, are changes to were, was and were changes to had been, has and have auxiliaries changes to had, do and does changes to did becomes had done does not undergo any change, it remains as it is. Was doing, had been doing, will changes to would, shall changes to should or would, can changes to could, may changes to might, must changes to had to. Now the tenses of Simple present changes to simple past. Present continuous changes to past continuous. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Simple past changes to past perfect tense. And almost remaining tenses do not change. Now let us discuss few more examples. Look at this sentence. The boy said, I play. The boy said, I play football from today. This sentence is in direct speech. We'll change it into indirect speech or reported speech. As said earlier, first remove the punctuation marks, then the introductory part, the boy said. After removing punctuation marks to join both the parts, introductory part and the spoken part, we are using that because I play football from today is an affirmative sentence. So we use conjunction that to join both the parts. The boy said that. Next change will be with the pronoun first person. I will be changed to third person. He, I relates to the boy. He, verb play is in present tense. Change it into past tense. Because the reporting verb said is in past tense. Football from today, adverb changes to that day. I repeat, the boy said that he played football from that day. Next sentence. I am going for a walk now. He said, I am going for the walk now. He said. Here, introductory part comes after the spoken part. But while reporting, we have to begin with the first part. He said. Again, the person has not addressed to anyone, so same reporting verb said is retained. The sentence I am going for a walk now is an assertive sentence. So after removing punctuation marks, we are going to use conjunction that to join both the parts. He said that pronoun I is changed to he. Here I is changed to he. Am going is in present continuous tense. it is changed to am going, is changed to was going, change to corresponding past tense, present continuous change to corresponding past tense because reporting verb is in past tense. He was going for a walk, now changes to then adverbial. I repeat, he said that he was going for a walk then. Next one. This one. The lady said to her boss, I have worked for I have worked for 8 hours. Begin with the first part. The lady here said to is changed to told. The lady told her boss after removing punctuation marks to join both the sentences. We use that because the sentence of the spoken part is a statement that I refers to the lady that she have worked. Present perfect is changed to corresponding past tense, that is past perfect. Have worked becomes had worked for 8 hours. I repeat, the lady told her boss that she had worked for 8 hours. The mother said to her son, I have often told you not to tell lies. To begin with, the mother said to is changed to told. Her son is addressed here. Her son, remove punctuation marks. The present sentence is a statement, so use conjunction that to join both the parts. Pronoun I, mother, she, have told. Change this one to had told. Present perfect will be changed into corresponding past, that is past perfect, that she had often told him. You is changed to him. Pronoun told him not to tell lies. Here, tell is used with to. It is infinitive. So don't change tell here. I repeat the answer. The mother told her son that she had often told him not to tell lies. Next one. Joe said to Annie, I took it home with me. Begin with Joe, change said to told. Joe told Annie, remove punctuation marks. Spoken part is a statement, so use conjunction that to join both the parts. Pronoun I is changed to he. Took is in past tense. Change it into its corresponding past tense, that is had taken. He had taken it home with me, changes to him. I repeat the answer. Joe told Annie that he had taken it home with him. Next one. She said to him, I shall do my best tomorrow. Indirect speech begins with say. Again, here said to is changed to told him. Remove punctuation marks. It is a assertive statement or to join both the parts. Add conjunction that I is changed to she. Shall is changed to would. Shall do will be changed to would do. My best will be her best. Here, tomorrow adverb is changed to the next day. Now, we got some idea how to change direct to indirect speech with respect to the statements in the spoken part. Students, keep watching this video. If you don't understand, repeatedly watch, make a note of it, practice till the concept becomes clear. The remaining examples will be dealt in the next video. Thank you.